Okay, so that's just to remind you of that riff from Never Before by Deep Purple off the Machine Head album. Now our intro is actually going to go like this. Okay, so a lot going on there. We got 9 on the D string, and then we got a 9 on the A, 7 on the D, take that 7 down on the G, so we got. So this one is, so that was that 7 on the D, so, and then we go, do one of those again, so all together. Now this time we go. Okay, so an extra note at the end. So 7 7 9 7. Now we can kind of slide. Okay, so that has a and then 7 9 9 7 9. So once again from the beginning, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so after the 7 9 7, so this one we're gonna have, and then 7 to 7 on the A, and then 7 9 7 in a row. So from the we have a little bend on this 9 and 12 chord, and then one of those again, a lot of that riff, and then you have kind of wait like a 2. So wait a beat on this, 1 2. That's a little pull off at the end, boom, boom, boom. And then we have, so after the, we got a 9 7 9, and this is all in a row. We got 9 on the 5th string, 9 7 7 9 on the A there, and then ends with, so 5 7 to 9, big 7. Then the bass and the keyboards go. Okay, so we got. So the bass and the synth got, you got F sharp to A to B. Okay, a little pause there. Guitar doesn't really have to do that part. Now we have the main riff. We got. Okay, so pretty easy. We got 5 7 on the A, E 2 times, and we have a D major triad. So that's 5 on the A, 4 7 on the D. Then we go 4 to 7 on the A to 7 on the D. So it's 5 4 7 4 7 7. Then we go A major triad, big 5 up here. 4 7 on the A. Then we go 4 5 7. So it's. Let's try that. 2 3 4. So this third time we're gonna have a little different ending. We're gonna have a 6 instead of a 7. 4 5 6 3 4 1. And then D, you can do it down here. A with a C sharp bass. So that's 4 2 2 2. So D, A with a C sharp, G with that thumb, A, and then G. Got that sus, pinky comes in on that 5th fret of the 3rd string, comes out. Same thing with A, and then we have. Okay, so that was A, and then 4 in the A, 2, 2, open, down to the G there. So we had a 2 on the D, walking down there. So, and then we have O, 2, 2, O, 2, open. Okay, so once again we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back into verse. Third one different. Okay, then we have a bridge. Hold that C for a couple bars. Then we have F. And there's a fill. So that's just a few bends on the little 11. Let the last one come down. Bend the 11 on the 2nd string. Okay, so it's C chord to F chord. Then you do that little bendy thing. And then you have an A flat chord. Back to C. Then you do C again. F, A flat. Back to C. And that time there's a little walking down. Okay, so it would have the C the 2nd time. And then when it gets to F, 8, 7, 5, 3 on the A string. By the time it gets to the A flat chord, we hit that A flat bass. 1, 3. Okay, then our solo starts. So the first bend is 10th fret of the 2nd string. It comes in ahead of a new beat, so it's like, hit it again. So this was 9 on the D, 9, 7 on the B, 7 on the G, down to 9 there, 9, 7, so it's back to that 9. We got a 9 on the A, 7 on the G to 9 there in the D, so we got. Okay, so after that, we got easy one, 9th fret, G. Now we got a big bend on this 12. Hit it a few times, bring it down. 10, 11, 10, 11, 10 again, so it's. And then we get in this riff. So we got bend on the 9, 7, 7, back to 7 on the 2nd. We got a bend up and down on the 10. 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. So we got. And then we jump down to the 6, have a little bend. Okay, so a little up and down. One extra bend at the end there, and then we go. So it's. So bend, 7, 6, 6, 4. 6 on the D, back to 4, and then quick 5 to 6 to 4. So start on the D string, and then A, and then you got. So we got a 4 and then 6 bend to 7. 4 to 5 over here. Try to come back to 7, 6, 7. So it's, and then kind of slide into these 7s here. Then we got so we got the chords down here, 7s, 9s on the next 2, 7s. And sometimes you can double those 9s in the middle there. Kind of slide it. Kind of coming quicker on that next one. You kind of double it like Chuck Berry, so. You end up just double bending that thing right there for a while, and then you're back in. Let's look at the solo again. Good. Okay, same old stuff. You got okay, piano solo, same riff, just do it 3 times. Okay, so do that whole thing 3 times, end on a 7, an E note there on the A string, and then we're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna have, so power chords on the 5 to 7. All right, Never Before, Deep Purple. Thanks for watching. Tabs with this. Catch y'all later.